Okay. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, once again. The poem that we recited at first has gone a little viral, but these children, they are so eager that they want to prove to the member of parliament amidst us that even if people are saying Balaalo, they are not disturbing us, but my home in Ajan, they can even contest for LC3, they pass because they are the majority. So they want to open the eyes of the people of Acholi so that you understand yourself. Hallelujah. Looking gang, giwenyo kwano. Binyoro poem chidong la member me parliament tikingi mero jole la member me parliament la wore. Kamera ni kangagi yupo be ready. Chika mawa chi bina yangi. Hallelujah. Lokati kamenda.
We are the pupils of Lunyiri Primary School, reciting a poem entitled For the Second Time. Go away, the trumpet is sounding, seizing Balaalo out of northern Uganda. For the second time, northern Uganda will shine again.
My name is Balaalo. Why are you seizing me? I have nowhere to go. Ireland is no more.
Balaalo, 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 you are a big malaria to us. At first you came as a joke. A joke is becoming real. Ireland is being taken, our parents selling land. Customary land is not for sale. Your animals are problems. What will our children eat? Where will our children live? Leave our land for good. Yes?
I am a victim.
A victim?
Yes, I was convinced.
Convinced?
To sell my customary land.
Imagine.
Now I don't know what to do.
Sorry.
The same applied to me.
The same applied to you?
I don't know what to do.
Maya. No. Enough is enough. For the second time, leave our land. Our land is not for sale. If hiring, I hear. Our leaders, don't fall in your hands. Our parents were misled to sell their customary land. Where will our future be? Let's sing together, say, Balaalo must go.
Thank you very much.